So this is the area that on the test they'll stop you up just before they explain each manoeuvre. So they'll stop you up here and ask you to parallel park around the car in front. Normally we'll parallel park in between two cars when you're normally driving, but for the purpose of the driving test it's difficult for the examiner to find two cars the right distance apart, so we just reverse around one car. So on approach to the vehicle, I'll be considering a signal to the left to help oncoming vehicles or vehicles behind me know what I'm doing. So I stop up alongside the vehicle, giving it about half a meter's clearance, and then into reverse gear as soon as possible, because this turns on our reversing lights. Now I'll get the car ready as always, so I'll prepare first, then I observe 6 points, looking out the back before I move, and then I try and get the vehicles in line. So I get the two vehicles in line, so the back of my car is in line with the front of this car in this case. Now what I'm going to do is prepare the car again, stop, prepare the car again, and then have a good look around. Because as I start steering in, the front of the car is going to be going out into the road. Now at this point what I do is I get to about what I would say is about 1 o'clock in the road, 12 o'clock being straight down the road. And at 1 o'clock I'm going to straighten the wheel up, so I'm going back in a straight line. So now I've got the wheel straight, I'm reversing in a straight line and just trying to get reasonably close to the curb. Checking the front of the car's past the target vehicle. It's not quite yet, so now we're there. Reasonably close to the curb with my back wheel, and I'm going to steer out just to bring the front of the car in, and then when I get parallel with the vehicle in front, just straighten my wheels up, continuing to look out the back of the car, handbrake, neutral, and that's a parallel park done. As with all manoeuvres, I've kept the windows open so I can listen out for cars both ways.